continue with the question and answer portion. It's your question.
Kinakabahan ka ba? Okay, very good.
Full of confidence, ha?
Full of confidence.
Yes.
Pwede.
Bawas ng voice ko pag may bate.
May bawas points nga lang daw.
Hello everyone! Hi! It's our fun day once again. So as they say, rock and roll to the world! The world of telecommunications.
Okay, here's your question.
Okay.
Yellow team ka, right?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Ito ang question mo. Sino ang PLDT hero for you and why?
Ang PLDT hero for me, well, I can say that I'm one of the heroes of PLDT. Why? The first thing that when I received an email, it's an e-suggest program of the company. Nag-email din po ako, nagtanong ako, ano po ba yung e-suggest program? So, lahat ng PLDT employees may chance to air their any suggestions po that would benefit the company. So, paano po? Ipa-file mo siya sa isang form, and then doon sa form na i-justify mo po siya. So, that time, BO pa tayo, hindi pa SSC. Nung time na yun, sinuggest ko yung availability of our red SIM, which we all know now as the Landline Plus. So, it was approved po. Inapprobahan ng i-suggest team. So, yun po yung pinaka-contribution ko. So, I can say that I'm one of the heroes of PLDT. Thank you!
Thank you. Now, yes.